Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Hobbies are activities we do for pleasure in our free time. They offer a break from our daily routines and responsibilities, bringing joy, relaxation, and a sense of accomplishment. Hobbies are essential for a fulfilling and balanced life. They can energize us and make us feel more alive. When we engage in activities we love, we tap into our passions and interests. This can boost our mood and reduce stress. Hobbies also help us develop new skills and knowledge. They challenge us to learn and grow, which can increase our confidence and self-esteem. Hobbies can connect us with others who share our interests. Joining a club, taking a class, or participating in online communities allows us to meet like-minded individuals. This can lead to friendships and a sense of belonging. Hobbies also provide a sense of purpose and meaning. They give us something to look forward to and a way to express ourselves creatively. Photography is the art of capturing moments in time. It is a hobby that allows us to see the world through a different lens. With a camera in hand, we can freeze moments of beauty, joy, and wonder. Photography can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. Whether using a smartphone or a professional camera, the basic principles remain the same. Learning about composition, lighting, and different photography techniques can enhance the quality of our photos. Photography allows us to appreciate the beauty around us. It encourages us to notice details we might otherwise overlook. It also helps us develop patience and observation skills as we wait for the perfect shot. Sharing our photos with others allows us to connect and share our unique perspectives. Gardening is a rewarding hobby that connects us with nature. It involves cultivating plants, creating beautiful landscapes, and enjoying the fruits of our labor. Gardening can be done on a small scale, like a balcony garden, or on a larger scale, like a backyard vegetable garden. Gardening provides a sense of accomplishment as we watch our plants grow and thrive. It also teaches us about responsibility, patience, and the importance of nurturing life. We learn about different plant species, soil conditions, and the impact of weather. Gardening is a great way to relieve stress and enjoy the outdoors. The physical activity involved in gardening is good exercise. The fresh air and sunshine can boost our mood and overall well-being. Gardening can also provide fresh, homegrown produce, adding a healthy and flavorful touch to our meals. Creative writing is the art of using words to create stories, poems, and other written works. It is a hobby that allows us to express ourselves, explore our imaginations, and create worlds of our own. Creative writing can take many forms, from short stories to novels, poems to screenplays. Creative writing allows us to tap into our creativity and develop our storytelling abilities. We can create characters, settings, and plots that captivate readers. It also helps us improve our writing skills, including grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure. Creative writing can be a therapeutic outlet, allowing us to process emotions and explore different perspectives. It can also be a source of entertainment and enjoyment both for the writer and the reader. Sharing our writing with others can lead to feedback, encouragement, and a sense of community with fellow writers. Yoga is a practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. It originated in ancient India and has gained popularity worldwide for its physical and mental benefits. Yoga postures, known as asanas, help improve flexibility, strength, and balance. Yoga breathing exercises, known as pranayama, help calm the nervous system and improve focus. Meditation, an integral part of yoga, involves quieting the mind and cultivating a sense of inner peace. There are various styles of yoga, each with its own emphasis and benefits. Yoga is a holistic practice that benefits both the body and mind. It helps reduce stress, improve sleep, and increase energy levels. Yoga also promotes self-awareness, mindfulness, and a sense of well-being. Regular yoga practice can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Cooking is the art of preparing food. It's a hobby that allows us to experiment with flavors, learn about different cuisines, and create delicious meals. Cooking can be as simple or as complex as we choose, from basic weeknight dinners to elaborate gourmet dishes. It allows us to be creative in the kitchen. We can follow recipes or invent our own, adjusting ingredients and techniques to suit our tastes. It also helps us develop practical skills, such as knife skills, measuring, and understanding different cooking methods. Cooking can be a social activity, bringing people together over a shared meal. It is a way to express love and care for others by preparing a delicious and nourishing meal. Cooking can also be a source of satisfaction and accomplishment as we create something delicious from scratch. Learning a new language is a challenging and rewarding hobby. It opens up a world of new opportunities for communication, travel, and cultural understanding. Learning a new language involves mastering vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. There are various methods for language learning, including classes, language learning apps, and immersion experiences. Consistency and practice are key to making progress in language learning. Setting realistic goals and finding enjoyable learning materials can help maintain motivation. Learning a new language expands our horizons, allowing us to connect with people from different cultures. It enhances our travel experiences, making it easier to communicate and navigate new destinations. It also boosts cognitive function, improving memory, problem-solving skills, and overall brain health. Volunteering is the act of freely offering our time and skills to support a cause or organization. It is a selfless hobby that allows us to make a positive impact on our community and the world. Volunteering can take many forms, from helping at a local soup kitchen to supporting an environmental organization. Volunteering provides a sense of purpose and fulfillment as we contribute to something larger than ourselves. It allows us to use our skills and talents to make a difference in the lives of others. Volunteering can also connect us with like-minded individuals who share our passion for making a positive impact. Volunteering broadens our perspectives and increases our empathy for others. It helps us appreciate the challenges faced by different communities and inspires us to take action. Volunteering can be a rewarding and enriching experience that benefits both the volunteer and the recipient of their service. Hobbies are essential for a well-rounded and fulfilling life. They provide a source of joy, relaxation, and personal growth. Whether we enjoy creative pursuits, physical activities, intellectual challenges, or community involvement, hobbies enrich our lives in countless ways. Hobbies allow us to tap into our passions, explore our interests, and develop new skills. They provide a break from our daily routines and offer a sense of accomplishment and purpose. Hobbies can connect us with others who share our interests, fostering friendships and a sense of belonging. By making time for hobbies, we prioritize our well-being and create a more balanced and meaningful life. Hobbies are a gift we give ourselves, a source of joy, growth, and fulfillment that enhances our overall happiness and well-being.
Reading. Reading, the action or skill of reading written or printed matter silently or aloud. Example, one of my favorite hobbies is reading. I love getting lost in a good book. Drawing. Drawing, the art or skill of making pictures or diagrams with a pencil, pen, or crayon. Example, I enjoy drawing because it lets me express my creativity through sketches and illustrations. Cooking. Cooking, the practice or skill of preparing food by combining, mixing, and heating ingredients. Example, cooking is fun for me. I like to try new recipes and make meals for my family. Hiking. Hiking, the activity of going for long walks, especially across country or in the woods. Example, I go hiking on weekends to explore nature and keep myself active. Playing sports. Playing sports, engaging in physical games and activities that involve skill, such as soccer, basketball, or tennis. Example, playing sports is one of my interests, it's exciting, and I enjoy the teamwork.